What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Try and keep it down. My new mechanic is sleeping, but I am thrilled to introduce another addition to the Benny Obscene media family conglomerate. So thank you so much for the support recently, all the new subscribers. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate that. Definitely post in the comments if there's stuff you want to see. It might take a little bit longer to produce now, but again, really love hearing back from everybody that watches. And thanks again. We'll get back into it as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you.
One eternity later.
Okay, got a quick window of opportunity here. Let's do a little test drive, see how things are working out. Sounds good. Steering feels okay so far. Nothing loose. Here we go. Feel bad for the guy behind us. We're leaving a nice smoke screen, like something out of Spy Hunter. So everything sounds okay. It's making the right noises. Feels okay. I don't think we're rubbing on anything. The steering definitely feels a lot tighter than it used to. Previously it was a little bit loosey-goosey, but this actually tracks really well, even though we haven't even been in for an alignment yet. And just responding awesomely. Ride quality is pretty good. I mean, this was a bumpy car to begin with. It's so light on pretty stiff torsion bars, but even just going over a couple bumps here, it's really not that bad at all. Whoop! That's not us. Well, folks, I think I would call this a success. And you know what? I'm actually going to cut the video here and just enjoy this drive. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time.